Alexa, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Wait, so do you know what we look like, or you just think I sound short? What's the...
Okay, so I know what you look like. I actually looked you guys up the last time you did this because I was like, I don't really know what they look like. But I don't know what it is, John. Your voice just makes you sound short.
Yeah, but not my personality, right? It's just the voice?
It's just the voice. I mean, I was so shocked at what you guys look like because I just kind of pictured different people in my head after all these years.
Sure.
But you're also beautiful, so
Thank you so much.
congrats.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Alexa, thank you for listening.